Okay, guys. So in merge sort, the given unsorted array with n elements is divided into n subarrays. Okay, n subarrays. That's why I told you if you have 10 elements, when you are going to divide, first we will divide into 5, 5. Again, this 5, 5 will be divided into 2, 3, again 2, 3. Like that, if you go, at last, when you get one element, you can stop that. That's why they told the given unsorted array with n elements, if you have 10 elements, is divided into 10 subarrays. At last, you will get 10 subarrays, each having only one element. Because a single element is always started. So always it is sorted in itself. So that easily we can do. Next, this 2 will be combined and make it into 2. This 2 will be combined and make it into 5. 5 and 5 will be combined and make it, we will get the final answer with a sorted array of 10 elements. Okay. So we have to repeatedly merge these subarrays to produce new sorted subarrays. At the end, one complete sorted array is produced. Clear, guys? So that if you here itself, I'll draw, then it is easy for you. For example, here I have example. I'll tell you. Here I have, this is about the merge sort. Quick sort we have used some other. First we identified one element as a pivot element. After we have done recursively, my pivot element will sit on its proper position. The element uh, which are present left side of the pivot element are lesser than or equal to pivot element, and right side of the pivot element, right side of the pivot element is greater than the pivot element. Okay. Okay, so that finally again the left side of the pivot element, again I have to do the same procedure and I have to sort. Finally I'll get the sorted array. Am I correct? Anybody can respond yes or no? Anybody can respond?
Ma'am,
Guys,
one more time you can explain that one, ma'am.
which one?
That,
Quick sort.
that box, no, ma'am. Merge sort you told, no, ma'am.
Merge sort I
No.
will explain. I just now I refreshed that quick sort. All of you clear with quick sort?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Quick sort clear,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. For example, here I am writing some elements 20, 10, 25, 50, and 40. 50 and 40. Okay, guys. So what I have to do, merge sort means this is how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. I told you at last you will get 5 subarrays. How we will get the 5 subarrays? I'll tell you. First, I have to divide this into 2 halves. How many elements? 5. 5 divided by 2 is what? 2. Am I correct?
2.5.
2.5 you can't go, so 2. So I will divide this into 2 arrays. One is with 2 elements, first 2 elements. So my 20 and 10.
10.
Okay, guys. So please mute yourself. Okay. Next, this 3 I will put. So 25, 50, 40, like that I can give. Again 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. So this will be divided into 1 1. So 20. Okay, then this is 10. Merge sort is easy if you understand. Compared to quick sort, merge sort is easy. 10, like that. Like this graphical representation they may ask. That time you should not write a program, you should write the graphical representation. Again 3 divided by 2 is what, guys? 2, how? 2 only. Na? 3 divided by 2 is 1. So this I can divide into one element 25, and this will be divided into two element 50 and 40. 50 and 40. Okay. Again, this and all is an individual element. Am I correct? Here anything I have to touch? Which among this, for which one I have to split again? This 50 and 40. This is here 50. This is here 40. Now you tell me, like I told, I got 5 subarrays or what? Guys, did I get 5
Yes, ma'am.
subarrays? Yeah.
Yes,
20,
ma'am.
10, 25. So better I'll go to our whiteboard, then easily you can understand. Later I will show you our PPT example. So here I have 5 elements, guys. This is 20, this is 10, this is maybe 15, this is maybe 25. 13. Now I will divide this into 2 halves. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 remaining this side 3. So no issues. Here you can take 3 or here you can take 3. That is your wish. So better here only we will take 2. So 20 and 10. Everybody, all of you following? Say yes or no. Others? Other than Dikshit, there are few students. All of you are listening? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Again, I
ma'am.
will. So this is 5 divided by 2. 5 elements. So 5 divided by 2. This is again 3 divided by 2 equal to 1. Here also 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So this will be no issues. So this will be divided into 2. One is 20. Another one is 10. Okay, guys. Here again I can go with 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. Now I'll go with 1 and 2. So 15. Here I will go with 25, 13. 25 and 13. Okay. Again, you tell me, should I split this? Can I able to split this too? Can I able to split 20? Can I able to?
No, ma'am.
No. So this also I
No,
can't.
ma'am.
So only this has to be splitted. So again, this has to be 25. This has to be 13. Ma'am, what about this? Means every row, everything should be filled. So again you repeat 15. Okay. Again this is 20. It is easy for you. If you'll not write also no issue, but it is easy for you. Now you see in this level, all are having individual element or not. What I told you, if you have n elements, at last when you divide into subarrays, how many subarrays you will get? N subarrays you will get, I told you. Here, what is it? N? What is the value of n here? What is the value of n here? What is n, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4,
N is equal 5, ma'am.
5. So how many subarrays you should get? I told you 5 subarrays. 1, 2, 3, 5 subarrays means what? 5 subproblems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I get or not?
Yes,
Did I get
ma'am.
or not? Everybody clear with this? This is called divide. This is called divide. What about this conquer? I will tell you. Conquer means merging. All of you clear with this? All of you clear? So now,
Yes, ma'am.
next to what I
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
do, I have to put this one level I finished. Next to what I have to put, here I will delete and here I will write. Okay, this is called this portion. This is called divide. Divide I have done. I have divided till the individual element. Now I have to conquer. Conquer, what I have to do means this 2 has to be conquered. Among 20 and 10, which is smaller?
10 is smaller, ma'am.
Which is smaller? 10. So what is the order if I'm going to merge this? Merge means, combine. But I have to combine in the sorted order. So this result I will write here. So this 2 will be combined and I will get like this. I will get 10, 20. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys? Everybody?
Yes,
This.
ma'am.
So this alone. So this 15 will be coming same. This will be maintained individual only. Okay. So I will individually. Next here, who are there? 25 and sorry,
13.
25 and 13 is alone. 25 is alone. 13 is alone. Okay. This two I'll combine. I will get, what will be the answer? You tell me after I'll merge.
13 and 25.
13 and 25.
13, 25.
Yeah. So again, this two I will combine. Okay. This two I will combine. What will be the answer? You tell me. 10.
10, 15, 20.
Yeah, we have a sorting function. Again and again recursively we will do and we will get. This is graphical representation. Program also I'll explain, no issues. Again, this will come same. This will be maintaining now 13 and 25. Okay, guys. Now I have to merge these two. Now you tell me what will be the final answer. 10. I'm combining with this 3 and this 2. I'm merging. When I'm merging, I have to put it in the sorted order. 10. Next, what will come? You tell me.
13,
13, ma'am.
13. Yeah, good. Then
15,
15,
20,
20, 25. This is the answer. So here if you see, I'm dividing into sub-problems. Here if you see, I'm merging the solution of the sub-problems and I'll get the final solution of my big problem. All of you clear? At least overall, did you clear the concept? One more example, I'll
Yes,
explain, no
ma'am.
issues. All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want, you draw. Otherwise, anyway, I have one example. I will show you. Okay.
Ma'am, do we have programs in fourth and fifth module, ma'am?
Fourth and fifth module, that one lab program you have studied, no? That binary traversal. But I'll according
Okay.
to your this one that you study, then DFS, BFS, research, and all we have programs. I'll explain.